Hey, fifth grade. Today for our poetry lesson, we'll be reading a poem called The Double Play by Robert Wallace. This is another poem that falls into the grouping of poems about games or sports. So I'll go ahead and click on the poem and we'll get started. This is one of the greatest poems ever about baseball. It moves on the page like a classic double play. All the action takes place almost at once, and Robert Wallace imitates it with form and language. Follow along as I read. The Double Play by Robert Wallace. In his sea-lit distance, the pitcher winding, like a clock about to chime, comes down with the ball, hit sharply under the artificial banks of arc lights, bounds like a vanishing string over the green to the shortstop, magically scoops to his right, whirling above his invisible shadows in the dust, redirects its flight to the running, poised second baseman, pirouettes, leaping above the slide to throw from midair across the color-tightened interval to the leaning out first baseman, ends the dance, drawing it, disappearing into his long brown glove. Stretches. What is too swift for deception is final, lost among those loosened figures. Jogging off the field, the pitcher walks, casual, in the space where the poem has happened. Today, when you go back into this poem, I would like for you to select and comment on 2 or 3 lines. Be sure to explain your thinking. So tell me why you like this line, what you noticed about the line, or what that line does for the poem. So if I were going to go back into this poem, I might do something like this. I might highlight bounds like a vanishing string and insert a comment that I noticed that this is a simile. Notice that this is a simile. It gives the reader a better visual about what is going on in the poem. And then I would click comment. I would like for you to try and add at least 2 or 3 comments to this poem. And really, you're going in and analyzing for anything that you notice. So it could be sensory words, it could be something that you like, it could be figurative language, as long as you explain your thinking. Don't just say, I can see this. Tell us what that does for the poem or why you think the author tried that approach. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help. I love and miss you guys.